Boom! What's up, fam bam? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. Listen, I wanted to walk you guys through how to apply your discount code. Real quick, if the code doesn't work, hit me up. I'll get you another one. It will go through. So let's go ahead and get logged in. All right, so we're here in the back office, and what you're gonna simply do is click on Purchase Products. Okay, you're gonna come over here and you're gonna select your country. All right. Then you're going to come over here and select your products. Okay, you got categories right here. You can come to the value packs if you want to, or the individuals ones if you want to. So for the purposes of this video, we're just gonna let's go with the Fit for Life box. We're going to come over here. We're going to select one. Right, we're going to add that to the cart. And we're going to come over here to the cart. Cursor, right? Go to the cart, we're going to go in there. Right, so we're going to come down to checkout, and then we're going to click on that checkout button. And so you're going to see your order total right here. Camera around, because I don't want to expose my personal information. And you come down to here. Right here on this page here, this is where you're going to enter the gift card. Okay, once you enter it here, right, once you enter it here, then you'll see the discount on the next page when you hit continue. So, really quick walkthrough of how to apply your code. Again, if the code does not work for whatever reason, I've been here 3 years, maybe 2 or 3 times, the code didn't work, I just sent them another one and it went straight through. $25 off your order, okay? It helps you. Reach out to your boy, I got you. Actually, shoot me your email, okay, any way you can, or you can text me at 901-300-0573. Text checkout to 901-300-0573, and I'll get you the code as soon as I can. Talk to you soon. Peace.